King to the King of Kings. Can you hear the fire?